Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how you can change your avatar in Snapchat profile. So stay tuned with us. I will guide you step by step, very easy process. So I will open my Snapchat. So here is my Snapchat I opened. So I will tell you very easy steps. So first you have to click on this setting button and then scroll down, and then you have to click on Bitmoji. So here is my Bitmoji avatar. So then you have to click on unlink my Bitmoji, remove. So now your Bitmoji is removing your avatar from his server. So my Bitmoji has been removed, so now there is no my avatar on my profile that was exist before removing Bitmoji. So now I will create new avatar. So I will create my avatar. So now you have to select your gender. So you can select from this option. So I will exit, create my. So you can click on this girl image, girl icon, and then you can create by your selfie or without selfie. So you have to click on skip. So now you can create your avatar as per your choice. So you can add in your profile. So I will select girl color. So I will select this one, and then girl hair. Then I will click on this hairstyle, and then you have to click on which eyes you would like to display, and then in this way you can create beautiful avatar for your Snapchat avatar. So you can change color eyes, so you can customize it according to your need. So then you have to click on save. Let's say I will okay in this avatar. I will save. Yes, save, ready to pick outfit pick. So I will choose this outfit. So let's say this one and save. So now my avatar has been created. Now it will display on my Snapchat. So I will go back, and here you can see my avatar in my profile. So here if you will click on this Snapchat QR button, and then you can see your avatar. So guys, in this way you can do it. Thanks for watching.